Ekki missa af heimsmeistaramóti íslenska hestsins í Berlín í sumar. Örfá sæti eftir. Bókaðu ferðina þína á urvalútsýn.is.
And not be from let's go. So we are complete and let's get started now with slow cut, high cut. Jerusalem. And we're done, and thank you very much. Please everybody slow down to walk and turn around. We're going to see the slow cut on the right now. So we have 20 seconds to go. On the left straight, here we go. Seconds. of the best. Thank you very much, thank you very much. Slow down one, higher in the top. Yeah.
Big applause from the audience, of course.
And here, ladies and gentlemen, announce your winner at the total score of 8.22. Coming inside the arena again as well as the world champion, that's what he's already, but as the world third champion, please come say hello to Johan Rune Skulason, Sverige Outdoor Studio. He's the winner at 8.22. Johan Rune Skulason.
Og Johan han modtager naturligvis 1000 år, mens han sidder på klokken. Det er tredje gang, jeg har prøvet det her, Johan. Altså i går der sagde hun til mig, Signe, jeg gider ikke interviews. Og så sagde jeg, det skal du. Vær sød og sige noget til alle de mennesker, der er herinde i salen her til aften.
Det er en fornøjelse at have jer her. Tak.
So let's talk in English now. This is the first time you win this church competition at World Church. How does it feel? Bare tag det, så. Eller islandsk.
Þetta er alveg ægilegt.